pressure by the Manchester Storm. Mike Hammond right foot, he scores with his first shot of the season. The returning number 21, Mike Hammond. Who knows, bit of space on this side. Millen finishing up the hook against the ball. It comes out and it's in. Absolutely fantastic goal for the MK Lightning. Played by the Manchester Storm. Great pick off the stick by Mike Hammond. Mike Hammond with his second chance and he scores again! Well, I'm not sure if it's 2 shots, 2 goals. Can they hold on? They do. Chance now, short-handed by the Manchester Storm. Chance for the Storm, shot! Good, toe save, shot, goal! The captain, Dane Byers. Great noise by both sets of fans. Storm players sprawling around in front of the net. Dallas Earhart takes his time, chips it out. Luke Moffat will chase. Luke Moffat will chase the empty net goal. He scores!